Hello guys, my name is Shkil Hassan. I am a second year student in International Medical University. Today my topic of presentation is chemotherapy. My group is GMM 17. Chemotherapy is an aggressive form of chemical drug therapy. It means it destroys the rapidly growing cells, and the rapidly growing cells are cancer cells. Here we discuss about the chemotherapy. There are two type of cells in chemotherapy: normal cells and cancer cells. In normal cells are small, uniformly shaped nuclei, relatively large cytoplasmic volume, while in cancer cell, they are large, variable shaped nuclei, relatively small cytoplasmic volume. Normal cells are conformity in small size, cell size, and shape. Cell arranged in discrete tissue. In cancer cells, there are variation in cell size and shape, and disorganized arrangement of cell. In normal cell, many poses differentiated cell structure. Normal presentation of cell surface maker, while in cancer cells are loss of normal specialized feature, elevated expression of certain cell makers. The normal cells lower level are dividing cell tissue clearly demarcated, while in cancer cells there are large number of divided cell poorly defined tumor boundaries. How does cancer form? Cancer is disease in which some of the body cell grows uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. And what are oncogenes? DNA repair genes are involved in fixing demand DNA. Cells with mutation in these genes tend to develop additional mutation in other genes and changes in their chromosomes such as duplication and deletion of chromosome part. Together, mutation may cause cell to become cancerous. What are the tumor suppressor genes and tumor microenvironment? The tumor microenvironment is the environment around tumor, including the surrounding blood vessel, immune cell, fibroblast, signal molecule, and the extracellular matrix. The tumor and the surrounding microenvironments are closely related to interact constantly. Tumors can influence the microenvironment by releasing extracellular signal, promoting tumor antagonism, and inducing peripheral immune tolerance, while the immune cells in the microenvironment can affect the growth and evolution of cancer cell. What is metastasis? Cancer that spread from very started to distant part of the body is called metastatic cancer. For many type of cancer, it is called stage 4 cancer. The process by which cancer cells spread to the other part of the body is called metastasis. Many different kind of chemotherapy or chemo drugs are used to treat cancer, either alone or in combination with other drug or treatment. These drugs are very difficult in their chemical composition, how they are prescribed in the given, how useful they are in treating certain type of cancer, are the side effects that may leave. Every time any new cell is formed, it goes through a usual process to become a fully functioning cell. The process involves a series of phases is called the cell cycle. Chemotherapy drugs cell at different phases of cell cycle. Understanding how these drugs work help doctors predict which drugs are likely to work well together. Doctor can also help plan how often doses of each drug should be given based on the timing of cell phases. Cancer cells. Cancer cells tend to form new cells more quickly than normal cells, and this makes them better target for chemotherapy drugs. However, chemo drug can't tell the difference between healthy cells and cancer cells. This means normal cells are damaged along with the cancer cells, and this causes side effects. Each time chemo is given, it meant trying to find a balance between killing the cancer cells and sparing the normal cells. The good news is that the more normal cell will recover from the effects of chemo over time, but the cancer cells are mutant normal cells, and they usually do not recover from effect of chemo. This is why chemo is good at killing many type of cancer cells. Class of chemo drug. Alkylating agents, platinum compounds, and other nitrosoras, anti-metabolites, anthracycline, vinca, alkaloid, taxane, topoisomerase inhibitors, anti-tumor antibiotics, anthracycline, corticosteroid, and other chemotherapy drugs. There are a class of antimetabolites, example of 5-fluorouracil, gemcitabine, methotrexate. Their biochemical activity are an analog of pyrimidine nucleoside, inhibit the dihydrofolate reductase. Its biological effects are perturbation of RNA and DNA synthesis, reduction of folate required for DNA synthesis. Used in clinical oncology as colorectal cancer, pancreatic cancer, non-small cell cancer, lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, blood cancer, breast cancer, breast, head and neck, leukemia, lymphoma, lung, bladder, and trophoblastic lymphomas. There are many other classes which are anthracycline, antimicrobial agents, platinum compound, taxane, and topoisomerase inhibitor. Their examples are doxorubicin, vinblastine, cisplatin, oxaliplatin, paclitaxel, docetaxel, renotaxin, etinoposide phosphate, mitoxantrone. Their binding activity to integrase base pair of nucleic acid bind tubulin, cross-link DNA, stabilize GDP, interference of type 1 with DNA strand break and interference with type 2. Their effects are in fact DNA and RNA synthesis, M-phase specific cycle, inhibit DNA replication, inhibition of mitosis, and cell cycle arrest and apoptosis. Alkylating agents. Alkylating agents keep the cell from reproducing by damaging its DNA. These drugs work in all phases of the cell cycle and are used to treat many different cancers, including cancer of lung, breast, and ovary, as well as leukemia, lymphoma, Hodgkin disease, multiple myeloma, sarcoma. Because these drugs damage DNA, they can affect the cell of the bone marrow, which make new blood cell. In rare cases, this can lead to leukemia. The risk of leukemia from alkylating agent is dose dependent, meaning that the risk is small with the lower dose but goes up to the total amount of drug used to get higher. The risk of leukemia of getting alkylating agents is high, about 5 to 10 years after treatment. Platinum compound are chemotherapy agents used to treat cancer. They are coordination complexes of platinum. These drugs are used to treat almost half of people are receiving chemotherapy for cancer. In this form of chemotherapy, commonly used drug includes platin, oxaliplatin, and carboplastin, but several have been proposed or under development. Addition of platinum-based chemotherapy drug to chemoradiation in women with early cervical cancer improve cervical and reduce risk of recurrence. Cisplatin. The mechanism of action of cisplatin has been associated with the ability to cross-link with the urine based on the DNA to form DNA ducts, preventing repair of DNA, leading to DNA damage, and subsequently induce apoptosis with cancer cell. Administration rate with varied from 50 to 120 minute infusion, 1 mg to minute infusion, 6 to 8 hour infusion, 24 hour infusion, or per cancer of cervix. And next, squamous cell cancer, osteogenic sarcoma, bone marrow transplant, 75 to 100 mg per m to 4 weeks when used with the cyclophosphamides. Altiramine. A capsule may be administered either from 14 or 21 consecutive days in 28 days cycle at dose up to 60 mg per m2 day. The total daily dose should be given as 4 divided all days after meal and bedtime. There is no pharmacokinetic information supporting the dosing regimen and the side effect of food on Exelin capsule. Its side effects are nausea, vomiting, peripheral neuropathy, and central nervous system, mood disorder, disorder of consciousness, ataxia, dizziness, leukopenia, and thrombocytopenia. Nitrosur is a group of alkylating agents that have special action. The other alkylating agents listed above cannot travel into the brain, but nitrosur are able to do into the brain. They can enter the brain because they are able to cross through the area known as blood-brain barrier, a special area that keeps most drugs out of the brain. This action makes the drug useful in the treating certain type of tumor such as cernostein, lomustine, and streptozicin. Antimetabolites interfere with DNA and RNA by acting as substitute for the normal building block of DNA and RNA. When this happens, the DNA cannot make copies of itself and cell cannot reproduce. They are commonly used to treat leukemias, cancer of breast, ovary, and the interstitial drug, as well as other type of cancer, azistine, 5-fluorouracil, 6-mercaptopurine, cipestibine, cladribine, clofarabine, citrabine, dacitrine, fluoxuridine, fluorabine. Generic name is Vidaza. Its side effects: fever, chill, bruising, signs of low blood count, lung infusion, low potassium, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, loss of appetite, constipation, diarrhea, joint pain, pain in your arms or legs, feeling weak or tired, dizziness, redness when injection was given. Anthracycline. Anthracycline is a class of drugs used in the cancer chemotherapy that are extracted from Streptomycin bacterium. These compounds are used to treat many cancers, including leukemias, lymphoma, breast cancer, uterine, ovarian, bladder cancer. The first anthracycline discovered was donorubicin, which is produced naturally by Streptomycin, a species of actinobacteria. Clinically, the most important anthracycline are chemotherapy medicine are adriamycin, allicin, doxil, and mitoxantrone. Taxane are the class of datropine. They were highly originally identified from the plants of the Texas, and the feature of taxidate core Its mechanism of action reduces the critical concentration of tubulin required from microtubule assembly, resulting in the mitotic block at the metaphase and anaphase junction and in cell phase specific activity. In addition to cytotic activity, antagonism, another form of mechanism is anti-tumor activity. Doxatel are widely used as a chemotherapy agent. Paclitaxel is an antiplastic agent which acts by inhibitor of cellular mitosis, which currently plays a central role in the therapy of ovarian, breast, and lung cancer. Therapy with the paclitaxel has been associated with low rate of serum enzyme elevation, but has not with correlated link to cases of clinical apparent. The numbness and tightening extremities, low blood platelet count, thrombosis are the common side effects, and this anemia, joint pain, muscle pain, diarrhea, and nausea. Other type of drugs used to treat are the biological treatment are used to treat cancer but are not considered chemotherapy. They often have different side effects than chemotherapy. Surgery, chemo, radiation therapy. The targeted work by finding species substance called protein or receptors that some cancer cells have. The protein receptor is targeted by drugs, so normal cells are not affected by drug. These different that how traditional chemotherapy drug work. Targeted drug can be used as the main treatment for cancer, or they may use after treatment to keep the cancer under from combined bag. Hormone therapy drug in this category work on the different action of hormone that make some cancer grow. These drugs are used to slow the growth of certain breast, prostate, response to natural sex hormone in the blood. They work by making the cancer cell unable to use the hormone they need to grow, preventing the body from making the hormone. Immunotherapy is a type of treatment that uses drug to boost after a person's immune system. These drugs are used in certain type of cancer to help a patient immune system recognize and attack a cancer cell. Thank you for your attention.